Don't fry fish anymore, make it this way for your lunch or dinner, quick and easy. For this recipe we'll need tilapia fillets, or any of your choice. Squeeze a lemon. Mix well so that the lemon penetrates all the pieces of the fish. Put the fish aside and let it marinate in the lemon. In a baking dish, put 1½ cups of oatmeal, a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon oregano, lemon zest to taste. Also add 2 cloves of garlic, finely chopped. Now let's mix it well. Now let's take the fish fillets and pass them in the flour. Repeat this process with all the fillets. Then we are going to grease a baking pan with olive oil or oil. And put all the fish fillets in the baking pan. After putting them all in the baking pan, put pieces of butter on top of the fish fillets. Bake in a preheated oven at 200 degrees for 30 minutes or until baked. While the fish is baking, let's prepare the other part. In a pan, put 2 cooked potatoes and mash them. Add a tablespoon of butter and mix over low heat. What kind of recipe do you like to watch the most on our page? Tell me so I can bring you more recipes. When the butter starts to melt, you can add a cup of milk. Mix until creamy. I will also add 100 grams of grated cheese, a tablespoon of cream cheese. Now just mix it until it starts to come loose from the bottom of the pan. Before I forget, tell me from which city or country you are watching us, so I can send you a super hug. This recipe is very easy to make. I'm sure that if you make it at home, everyone will love it. And our recipe is ready. The smell is wonderful. I'll put some chopped parsley on top. I'm sure that everyone will love this recipe. Thank you to everyone who has seen us so far. Until the next recipe.